It was a convergence of eminent sons and daughters of Okigwe zone. Drawn from across the 6 local government areas, who gathered in Obowo to chart a new course for peace and progress. Leading the host of dignitaries was the chairman of Okigwe Council of Traditional Rulers, His Royal Highness Eze Iheanacho Ndukwe, former Governor Ikedio Akim, former INEC Chairman Professor Maurice Iwu, and the Secretary to the State Government, Chief Cosmos Iwu. Also present were religious leaders, academics, and representatives of government and community groups, all lending their voices to the call for unity.
Our gathering is a testament to the harmony that already exists among our people and our collective resolve to preserve and build upon it for the prosperity of generations to come. This is indeed the time for Okigwe Zone to shine even brighter as one people with one voice and one destiny.
Speakers at the summit emphasized that peace and unity remain the bedrock of progress, urging residents to look beyond political or sectional divides and strengthen cooperation for the region's stability.
Through open dialogue and collaboration, we will address pressing issues, identify common goals, and forge pathways to achieve them. Let us take this moment to reaffirm our dedication to Okigwe Senatorial District, growth and well-being. Together, we can create a brighter future where every citizen thrives and contributes to our shared prosperity.
Let us protect this unity we have established today. Let us nurture it and ensure that our zone remains a beacon of peace and progress. In the words of Chidera Achebe, nothing past God, and nothing can surpass the power of peace and unity. Let us strive to build a prosperous Okigwe, where our children can strive and our communities can flourish. Together, we can achieve greatness.
They also pledged closer collaboration with security agencies to sustain peace and protect lives and property, while appealing for greater federal presence in the zone.
Umulolo, Amora, and Owerenta, and other rural communities live in terror of night, attacks from armed gangs, and so on. Insecurity closes our market too early. Our people remain resilient, resourceful, innovative, hard-working, entrepreneurial, devotedly religious. It is time for us to make a bold declaration as a zone, political declaration, because we hear from the current governor's speeches that he wants somebody who will continue with his legacy. And he said he is doing Mbakwe's legacy. Mbakwe is the son of Okigwe. So which other zone will continue the legacy better than Okigwe zone?
Beyond the call for unity, the leaders passed the vote of confidence on Governor Hope Uzodinma, commending his ongoing projects in Okigwe zone and across the state.
Because of his leadership, because of the governance he has provided, because of his extension of friendship and brotherly love for Okigwe zone. I so move. Thank you.
Summit concluded with a 9-point resolution emphasizing peace, collaboration, and shared responsibility as key pillars for the region's future. Ejitopakuta, Channels Television News.
The National Association of Microfinance Banks has commemorated 20 years of microfinance banking in Nigeria with a 3-day national conference held in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. At the opening ceremony, the national president of the association, Alhaji Abubakar Ahmad, highlighted the remarkable evolution of the sector over the past 2 decades. He says that microfinance institutions have become key drivers of financial inclusion, empowering small businesses and supporting millions at the grassroots. The conference brought together industry leaders, regulators and stakeholders to chart new strategies for deepening access to finance and strengthening the sector's sustainability.
Members of the National Association of Microfinance Banks have converged on Uyo, the Akwa Ibom state capital, for the association's 20th anniversary conference. The milestone event celebrates 2 decades of the formal evolution of Nigeria's microfinance banking sector, drawing policymakers, regulators, financial experts, and over 400 participants from across the country. At the heart of discussions is the vital role microfinance institutions continue to play in advancing financial inclusion and empowering millions of low-income Nigerians through improved access to credit and savings.
Nigerian microfinance banks cater for predominantly micro and small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, as well as low-income individuals. Loan sizes typically ranges from as low as 10,000 to as much as 100 million, allowing and encompassing a broader segment of the population who often were excluded from traditional commercial banking to access formal financial and credit services.
The Central Bank of Nigeria has reaffirmed its commitment to continued collaboration with the National Association of Microfinance Banks to strengthen the sector and enhance financial inclusion nationwide.
We at the Central Bank of Nigeria recognizes the microfinance sector as a vital partner in achieving our shared goal of inclusive growth and poverty reduction in our country. We therefore remain committed to providing an enabling environment in the area of regulations and supervision framework that ensures the stability, sustainability, and integrity of microfinance institutions in Nigeria.
The Akwa Ibom State government commends the microfinance sector for its unwavering support to small businesses and its vital role in driving grassroots economic growth across the state.
Microfinance banking, bridging the past, empowering and sustainable future for the economic development, aligns with our vision of empowering SMEs through grants, which to date we have spent over 15 billion naira comprising business, agriculture, market grants, various youth empowerment schemes, and training of over 2,000 youths by Ibom.
The 3-day conference featured expert panel discussions on regulatory reforms, the presentation of the prestigious Microfinance Pillar Awards, and vibrant cultural performances where NAMB executives joined Akwa Ibom troops to celebrate 2 decades of resilience and impact.